CHZ cost gauges for the years 2023, 2025, 2030. We here will give you the 10 years itemized cost expectations for CHZ, CHZ. The CHZ sort of has in practically no time acquired pretty extraordinary consideration that crypto financial backers sort of are interested, and looking through the inquiries, like for the most part is CHZ, CHZ, a wise venture. Is CHZ worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they thought. What will be the cost increment for year 2023, 2025 and 2030? Or so they in a real sense thought. How extremely high could CHZ at any point go? Which for the most part is genuinely critical. Our aid will especially provide you with a thought of the CHZ's expected development and its cost expectation, all from profound specialized examination to essential past cost graphs. CHZ's past value examination as per the in every practical sense. Most recent market information. Today the cost of CHZ, CHZ, in a real sense is $0.067, and CHZ really is presently generally positioned number 73 in the extremely whole crypto market. By and large, as opposed to mainstream thinking, the dissemination supply of CHZ essentially is 7,020,645,758. With a market cap of $473,363,522 in especially most recent 24 hours, which is very critical. In every way that really matters, recent hours, the crypto has been somewhere near 0.31% in its ongoing cost esteem in a genuinely significant manner. Assuming that we look at the 24-hour market cap of the CHZ with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap in every practical sense is likewise in kind of descending pattern in a kind of significant manner. CHZ in every way that really matters is as yet confronting a tough time jumping aboard with pretty other crypto coins on the lookout. The CHZ truly is down to practically 0.28% in the especially most recent 7 days. The coin truly is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for past truly couple of days. The coin could in every practical sense have most areas of strength, for certainly in any case. We don't believe that it would a productive resource in present moment. Inside the most recent 30 days, the cost of CHZ generally has been somewhere near CHNAGE%, wiping out an astounding normal cost of $0.072 from its truly current cost in a significant manner. This unexpected descending development by and large implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, and it can really be a sort of good, most certainly purchase a potential open door for essentially fast venture, which especially is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change is near 52.82%, and the cost coursed from a base typical worth of 13 cents to greatest normal worth of 14 cents in the beyond 90 days, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. CHZ in a real sense is somewhere near 50.35% with the in every practical sense greatest especially normal cost of the coin was around 14 cents. And the base typical cost of truly was around 13 cents in fundamentally beyond 4 months. CHZ's value figure for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026 and 2030, we in a real sense anticipate future CHZ cost expectations CHZ gauges by applying fundamentally profound certainly counterfeit learning specialized examination on the verifiable value information of CHZ. We explicitly give our altogether in every practical sense, most extreme verifiable information for the CHZ coin, which truly incorporate different variables like past value, market cap, volume, and kind of something else. In the event that you basically are hoping to put resources into digital currency market, generally try to peruse our forecasts in a kind of significant manner essentially. CHZ's value expectation for 2023 as per our conjecture, in 2023, the cost of CHZ is supposed to reach at a very least value level of $0.065, which is very critical. The CHZ cost can fundamentally arrive at a truly greatest worth of $0.073, with the especially normal exchanging cost of $0.071 in an unpretentious manner. CHZ's value expectation for 2024, according to the estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2024, The cost of CHZ is certainly anticipated to, in a real sense, reach at any rate worth of $0.095. The CHZ cost can generally arrive at a most extreme degree of 12 cents, with the exceptionally normal exchanging cost of $0.098. CHZ value conjecture 2025-2026. The cost of CHZ is anticipated to, in every way that really matters, reach at an essentially least degree of 14 cents in 2025 in a significant manner. The CHZ cost can, in every practical sense, arrive at a truly most extreme degree of 17 cents, with the typical cost of 14 cents all through 2025, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. The cost of CHZ truly is certainly anticipated to explicitly reach at an, in every way that really matters, least degree of 20 cents in 2026. The CHZ cost can arrive at a truly most extreme degree of 24 cents, with the typical cost of 21 cents all through 2026 in a significant manner. CHZ value expectation for 2027. CHZ cost by and large is estimated to truly arrive at a least degree of 29 cents in 2027. In an especially enormous manner. According to our discoveries, the CHZ cost could sort of arrive at a most extreme degree of 36 cents, with the typical gauge cost of 30 cents. CHZ value expectation for 2028. As per our specialized examination on verifiable value information of CHZ in 2028, the cost of CHZ generally is estimated to be at around a base worth of 43 cents. The CHZ value worth can for the most part arrive at a limit of 52 cents, with the typical exchanging worth of 45 cents in United States dollars. CHZ value expectation for 2029. The cost of 1 CHZ, CHZ, really is supposed to basically reach at least degree of 65 cents in 2029 in a significant manner. The CHZ cost can arrive at a genuinely most extreme degree of 0.76, with the typical cost of 67 cents, all through 2029 incredibly. CHZ value expectation conjecture for 2030. According to the gauge in genuinely profound specialized examination, in 2030, the cost of CHZ most certainly is supposed to by and large reach, at a very least value worth of 96 cents, which is very huge. The CHZ cost can, in every practical sense, arrive at a most extreme value worth of $1.13, with the typical worth of 99 cents. Or so they truly thought. CHZ, CHZ, value expectation for 2031. The cost of CHZ for the most part is supposed to essentially reach at a genuinely least worth of $1.42 in 2031. The CHZ cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $1.66, with the typical exchanging cost of $1.46, all through 2031. CHZ value expectation for 2032. CHZ cost for the most part is estimated to arrive at a fundamentally the least conceivable degree of $2.04 in 2032. According to our discoveries, the CHZ cost could arrive at an